कोणी एकेकाळी कागदाची विमानं करून ती उडवण्यात भलताच आनंद मिळायचा. काळ बदललाय, वेळही बदलली आहे. झपाट्यानं बदलणाऱ्या तंत्रज्ञानाबरोबर नवी पिढीही टेक्नोसावी होऊ लागली आहे. पणजीतील मुष्टिफंड विद्यालयाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी चक्क ड्रोनची निर्मिती करून विमान उडवण्याच्या दिशेनं एक पाऊल पुढे टाकलं आहे. इन गोवाचा हा विशेष वृत्तांत.
My name is Advait Mudras, studying in class 8, Mustifund High School. So this workshop was organized by Mustifund with Abhay sir. They coordinated with SIBA. I thank BHP for organizing this wonderful workshop. We learned a lot of things. We tried fiddling with the screws, assembling the drone, making mistakes. Then we got a hands-on experience with the Ardo pilot, that is the brain, supposed to be the brain of the drone. Then we had a fun time connecting all the wires. Then we found that it was wrong. We had to rechain, and then we learned how to calibrate all the motors and the compass which is built in the Arduino pilot. We also learned how to program the drone. It was very fun workshop. I thank everyone who has taken a lot of initiative to organize this workshop. Thank you.
And I'm from 6th standard studying in Mustifund High School. So today I'm here for the drone making workshop, which was very interesting, and I didn't knew how to make such a professional drones, but the team BHP which had come, they taught me the new skills of making a drone, and I even thank them because teaching me a very new thing to make a drone.
So my name is Nanak Milin Bhagat. I am studying in Mustifund High School. I am in the 7th standard. I like this drone workshop too much, and I am thanking for this BHP team. I learned this. I experienced this drone workshop the first time, and also I was interested in making such types of drones. I was also making at home. First time I learned like this drones and all. Thank you.
My name is Divyanshi Advani, and I'm from standard 8th. I'm studying in the school Mustifund High School. Today I'm here to share my experience about the workshop. The workshop was very nice, interacting and interesting. We discovered a lot of things. We never experienced this before. So the workshop was very nice, and I thank the BHP team, the SIBA people. It was a very nice experience.
Is only motivating the children, and we should see that they keep on going all these sort of these things. Therefore we have already put Mr. Mainkar on the job, and he takes care of all these students. And ATL, under this ATL, we have see that students, they learn for a future this thing.
Abhay Bhamaikar. I'm been associated with ATL lab of Mustifund High School. Right now, if you go to see in society, the current problem is employability and entrepreneurship. And the starting point of both this is skills. If you don't have skills, then sustainable development is difficult. So with this as a starting point, we ensured that students from Mushti Fund get technical skills. And as a starting point, today we organized, today in the sense, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 3 days drone workshop was organized. As a part of this, we are happy that students are moving towards engineering kind of a mindset, engineering kind of a bent. So with this, I think we are happy also to announce that by today, after the function is over, we will declare robotics and drone club here. And all over India, there is nothing happening in R&D with regard to schools. So maybe somewhere in the month of October, I hope that these clubs get converted into a research and development lab, wherein drone and robotics, these two subjects are taken. And as we all know that drone and robotics is having vast application. Okay, and as far as since we are also getting huge projects in Goa Shipyard Limited, these projects surely is going to help the students to be part of the movement wherein GSL wants to come up with startups, entrepreneurship, such kind of. Workshop was divided into 3 parts. Initially, the theory part of theory in the sense laws, concepts with regard to drone were explained. So after that, they actually did hands-on. They came up with this drone, and now today you saw that yesterday also evening they flew the drone. Today also they flew the drone. So I feel what is happening is what they learned in the theory class was actually demonstrated here in front of everyone. And another thing I think, ultimately there has to be confidence. If you don't have confidence, then we don't have daring. And I think through this workshop, our students' motivation and self-confidence level has gone to a next level.
Students shows enthusiasm right from 5th standard to 10th standard. So we had involved these students, and it was for 3 days workshop from 22nd to today is the last day, that is 24th, and we have literally prepared practically the practical part of it. You can see it here. They have flown the drone and they are very enthusiastic. I would like to thank Abhay Bamaikar, who is the main person behind this, and of course my management and the team of SIBA. And we have ATL teacher who is very enthusiastic in doing all such activities. She is Monica, and the parent support also we got.
मोनिका टीचर, आम्ही पहिला तुम्ही ॲक्टिवली हांगा पार्टिसिपेट केल्ले आसा, कसो भुरग्यांचो सपोर्ट आशिल्लो आनी कसो एक्सपिरियन्स आशिल्लो?
First of all, we announced that the drone workshop will be held on so-and-so dates. And after that, we went to each class and we explained them what exactly is going to be there in the workshop. And we got so many names that we had to filter out. So this is one batch. After that, we will be calling them again and we will be getting a second batch as well. So there are so many students involved in technology. It is amazing and they really need this exposure. It is so good for them, and then they come up with their own ideas. It is really good to see them put their hands in technology and build their own drones. And they put their minds and efforts into this, and they built their own drones. They programmed it, they flew it, and they were so happy. And we expect that we are going to get more of such workshops in the future. Maybe basic electronics, maybe drone, maybe programming, Python, Raspberry Pi, everything.